Once a boy, Amir, came to visit his uncle during his summer vacation. His uncle noticed that Amir usually wake up late in the morning and he is also weak in his studies. The next day, his uncle took him for a morning walk with him. During the walk, his uncle told him some fixed rule of success and said that if he follows these rules, he will be successful. Here are those principles. Number one, wake up before 4 a.m. It is hard to wake up early, but remember, winners begin early. If you want if you want to make your dreams come true, wake up early because majority of population wake up at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. But those who wake up 4 a.m. they get extra 2 hours per day and 14 hours extra in a week, and they have 728 hours extra in a year, which means you have 1 month extra in a year. No one will never change your life until you change something you do daily. This is big secret for a man who wants to change in his life. Number 2, habit of reading. Reading makes sharpen your mind. Reading will help your mind away from stress and make you feel relaxed. This is a historical evidence. Most of successful people start their day by reading to stimulate their mind. Number 3, organize your daily work plan. Successful people start their day with a plan, their goal before the day start because an hour of planning save 10 hours of confusion that what exactly important for you to do first. If you don't know where you are going, you will probably end up somewhere else. Number 4, if you want to be a strong, learn to fight alone. Being alone gives you the power which very few of people would understand. Sometimes being alone is the best place to be. People with goal succeed because they know where they are going. Number 5, never quit. It doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long you do not stop. Winner will never give up. Situation build strong people. Amir promised that he would strictly follow these rules of success.